Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this soft glam / everyday makeup routine. This has been highly requested by my followers on Instagram, so I thought, right, do you know what, I'm going to sit down and finally film one for you. This is about as soft glam as I'll get. Like, I'll either have no makeup or I'll have this, or I'll be like a super glam. So if you'd like to see how I created it, then stay tuned. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky comment down in the comment section. Thank you. And with my go-to vitamin E hydrating mist spray, and just spray that all over my face. And that really just does make you feel so fresh, and it smells amazing. Now I'm going to get ready to prep my eyes, ready for my eyeshadow. So obviously I'm doing a everyday makeup look, so it's not going to be anything dramatic. So I'm going in with the P. Louise base in the shade number 2, also known as Rumour. Just pop a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to be putting that on my eyes with the 𝙂𝙧𝙬𝙘𝙀 Gym Bob brush. So packing all of that product onto the brush. I'm just going to go in and carve out the underneath of my brow. And then just pack that all over your eyelid. And just tapping that all along your eyelid. Tap tap till it's all blended. And then I go along with my Morphe fluffy brush and just literally dab all over the eye, just to remove any excess product on your eyelids, and then just blending out the edges so you've got no harsh concealer line. So today I'm going in with the BPerfect Cosmetics Clientele palette. This palette is gorgeous. I'll show you it. How gorgeous are all of those shades? Like, that is a perfect palette. Like, got a few bits of colour in there, you know, lights and darks, so it's perfect for all year round, I think. Summer colours, winter colours, just a perfect soft glam palette. I'm going to go for something quite natural, so today I'm going to go in with the shade Sandy, and to place that on my eyelids I'm going to go in with the Peaches and Cream PC22 brush. I'm just going to pack that on my lid. So obviously this is an everyday makeup look. This is my personal everyday makeup look, so what I'm doing might be too much for you. This might be more of a heavier glam for you, but this is just what I would do. So now I've put a brown shade on my lid, I'm going to go in with a little bit of shimmer, because if you know me, I can't just kind of leave it plain. I've got to have a little bit of glitz in there. So back in with the 𝙂𝙧𝙬𝙘𝙀 Gym Bob brush and the P. Louise base, and I am just going to place a little bit of product on the middle of my lid and just place that right up to the top of my crease. And this is just a very rough guide, you know, I don't want it too perfect, straight in the middle. Like so. Now I'm going to go in and place some shimmer on my spotlight of my lid. I'm going to go in with the shade Luxe. It's a light shimmery goldy sort of colour, and just placing that straight on my lid. Just placing that right on top of that concealer. The brush I'm using to place the shimmer on is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And you're just putting that on the base that you've put on. So now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and I'm going to go in with a shade Dirty Tan on the Clientele palette, and I'm just really going to start shaping up this spotlight. Then I'm going to go in with the Peaches and Cream brush again and the shade Sandy, and just really blend that spotlight out so then it looks more subtle. So I'm using the Yasmé Cosmetics London Lashes. I've already used these before, so they're already cut down to my size. I'm just going to pop some mascara on. This is obviously a personal choice at this point. You can either wear mascara or you can pop some natural lashes on. It's completely up to you what you'd normally wear on a day-to-day basis. I would normally wear kind of just mascara, but I don't really wear makeup to work at the moment, so I'm finding that if it is more of a natural, you know, everyday sort of makeup, then I will just go straight in with natural lashes. So whilst I'm waiting for my lashes to get tacky, I'm going to go in with the 𝙠𝙗𝐿𝑢MIERE Mattifying Serum. This is a matte primer. I've been using it recently, so just massaging that into the tips of my fingers and then just popping it on my face. So now I've got my lashes on. Now I'm going to go in and start prepping my face. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This is in the shade number 3, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. So I'm going to go in with my foundation brush. It's the Peaches and Cream PC19 brush. This is literally my go-to foundation brush. I'm just going to dab this flawless filter in my skin like I would if it was just foundation or any other base product that you use. So now I've got my flawless filter on, I'm going to go in with the Ordinary. It's a lightweight foundation. So because it's more of a natural, everyday sort of look, I'm going to go more of a lighter coverage. I'm just going to place that on my hand. And I'm just going to place that on my face with my Molly O'Brien brush and just spread that around. And I'm just going to dab that into my skin. So now I've put my lightweight foundation on. I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in number C4. Just placing that on all the higher points of my face. And I'm using my Morphe brush just to really dab that into my skin. So now I'm going to set all my concealer and all my... So I'm going to go and set my makeup with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I am just going to place that right underneath where I had my concealer. Just on my forehead as well. Because I do get quite oily on my forehead, to be honest. I've set that side of my face and you can literally see the difference. That just looks really oily. I need to set that, get that ready for the next base. This looks amazing. It's all set. I'm going to go in and pop some bronzer and blusher on and then finish underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics Global Glow. So because it's more of a natural look, I don't want too much bronzer. I want kind of more of a natural glow. So I find with this one, it's a bronzer and a highlighter in one. So you're kind of getting the natural glow with it. Then I'm going to go in with a MAC Melba Matte Blusher. This one's super cute. Just going to place that with my Real Techniques brush just right on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to go onto my brows because I look a little bit weird. So I'm using the Brow Club Big and Bushy in the shade Medium. Comes with a little brush if you get the brow kit. So I'm just going to go ahead, put some product on the brush, and I'm just going to style my brow. So I'm obviously going to draw the shape out. I'm going to go in and fluff it up with the brush. Like so, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye. Try and create more of a fluffy look, I'm going to go in with soap brows. All I need to do is spray some setting spray onto the soap with a brush and just go in and push those brows up. Like that. You can always go in with your finger and just create that fluffiness. Now I've created that fluffy brow look, I'm going to go ahead and just finish underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go for no bottom mascara today. I feel like I'm kind of feeling that no mascara look on the bottom lid at the moment. It's kind of, just feel like it looks nice and fresh and clean. Going in with my Morphe brush, it's just a small brush, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Sandy and just pop that underneath my lid. Just light, but I'm going to go ahead and put some faux freckles on my face. So I'm going in with the freckle face. This is in the shade Light. So I'm just going to put some dots on here. Just place a few dots on one side of my face. And then what I'll do is go in with my hand and just reprint them on the other side. So now my face is done, I'm just going to go onto my lips. The Morphe Editorial Lip Liner. This is a brown shimmery lip liner. I really do like this shade. I'm just going to place that right on. Just drawing the outline of my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics Velvet Teddy lipstick. And I will just go in with a little bit of gloss. This is the Kiko Milano number 20 3D Hydra Lip Gloss. How gorgeous is that gloss? And there we have it. I'm just going to go put some accessories on, get ready, and I'll show you the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this soft glam / everyday makeup routine. I mean, I'm loving it. This is definitely my go-to. So I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this makeup look. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then feel free to let me know. But any products that I did use in this video will be in the description box down below, along with any of my social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. So feel free to give me a little follow on those. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky comment down in the comment section. Thank you.